We have made it to Florida Keys after spending a month exploring Sarasota and Fort Myers. We are here for the next month, starting off in Key Largo, and then we're going to be heading towards the Key West area.
Since we are right here on the ocean, they have kayak rentals and paddleboard rentals. So we're literally walking 25 seconds to the beach with our paddles and hop on a kayak and watch sunset from the ocean. How beautiful.
Don't fall in.
Yeah.
Is that a little?
Yeah, then we're gonna paddle.
Atlas, you want to go in too? Yeah, bud?
Kayaking with my best friend. He loves it. So chill.
Something we love to do wherever we go is find a really good breakfast spot. And I think we found the best one in our area.
This has been our spot here in Key Largo. Coco Plum, Seaside Eatery, they're side by side, awesome vegan restaurants. The best ones, I think, here. I've done my research before coming here, and we just keep coming back here every single day. The sandwiches here at Seaside Eatery, specifically the TLT. TLT, is that what it's called? Yes, yeah. TLT is the bomb. Might be the best sandwich I've ever had. Let's try it out.
Behind us are red mangroves, and the seeds from these plants can be floating out in the ocean for hundreds or thousands of miles until they finally hit shallow water and they start rooting, and then they expand and then create more plants and more plants and more plants and create, like, they can create islands. These mangroves were all created from one little seed that made it here hundreds or thousands of years ago.
She's eating that. She's eating the ground.
We're at Ballyhoo's, and we were told that this restaurant has the best key lime pie here. So I recently learned that key lime pie comes from limes that were grown in the Keys. I had no idea, but it makes sense. And there's special limes that only grow here. That's how they make key lime pie. And this is like a 1-minute walk from the RV park, so that's a little too close for a dangerously good key lime pie. As I'm saying this, Kai is smashing the key lime pie. Wow, that's a thick pie. I don't even know if I can fit it.
That was easily fit.
Easily. Wow. It's like a journey of flavors and textures as you go down.
Eat it. Go.
Me?
Yeah.
You don't want to eat it?
And you eat it.
Okay, I'll eat it.
And I'll eat it. And they're right there.
Too good to be walking distance. It's like dangerously good.
Today's moving day. We're going from Key Largo to Marathon, which is closer to Key West, still in the Keys. And a plus side of having Mama here. She helps us pack up. She takes less time to hit the road.
We've arrived at Marathon.
Oh, fresh mango passion fruit smoothie. You want to try some? Come here. How good is that? Good.
Today we made the hour-and-a-half drive to Key West, and this place reminds me of Bourbon Street in New Orleans. It's just got that same vibe, but way more tropical, obviously. And yeah, we have no plan really. We're just here to explore, walk along the streets, eat some good food, and see what else happens.
Wow, look at this cookie. This is peanut butter cookie with peanut butter and chocolate on top. And the toppings are just as thick as the cookie.
Yeah, I bet.
How is that?
Jim's cracker jug.
Is it good? Yeah?
Yeah.
For you.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pick my bite correctly.
Is it the what is it the good choice? Like
We're at the Dolphin Research Center, and it's literally just next door to the RV resort. So we walked here like 5 minutes, and then we could then see the people here interact with the dolphins. It's pretty amazing what they're doing here. This is a non-for-profit, and the dolphins look really happy. They look excited to be present here, and they're in the ocean. They're not in a pool or anything, so they're feeling the tides. They can see fish. They're in their natural environment, and there is a small fence around, but the fence is actually designed that they could push through it if they wanted to.
Oh, you're beautiful.
oh, another one. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Oh, hello. You're beautiful. You're beautiful.
We have had quite a few slices of key lime pie here in the Keys because Florida Keys, key lime pie, you just have to. It's where it comes from. And once you get that one bite, ooh, you need more. So it is our last day here in the Keys, and we are headed to Sweet Savannah's. We've been there a couple of times already for some key lime pie. We're going earlier because this key lime pie is gone. Every single day there's lineups and it is just like gone. So I called ahead of time and I said, do you have any? And they're like, yes, but come fast. We're going all out, eh?
Oh, I'm going with a whole pie right now. Whole pie. What does it smell like, Kai?
It smells like lemon.
Like lemon? It's lime. Lime. Key lime. Okay, cut you a slice. Oh yeah.
Wow. Ooh, baby.
I should eat that.
You should eat that. You should eat that. Ready?
Yes.
What's it like?
Lemon.
Like lemon? Like lime? It's sour?
Yeah.
Is it delicious? Woo!
My turn.
I'll
It's
try
so
some.
creamy.
Can I try some?
It just like dissolves in your mouth. It's like gone.
Yeah?
A little bit of crunch at the end.
Do it.
Should I do it?
Delicious.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hopscotch Roadmap. Be sure to watch the next episode where our family road trips to a new destination. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming videos.